In this video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on your videos in Filmora. So if you want to zoom your videos, it is pretty much simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and add your video on your timeline here, and then we can begin. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So you can see here is my video, and at some part I want to zoom this video in. To do that, identify the place or the location where you want the zoom to start. For instance, I want the zoom to start from here. So go ahead and click on this edit tool and then basic, and we shall use this scale option. So I want from this part of the video to be 100%. So I'll go ahead and add the keyframe for this at that. Now go ahead and move to the location where you want the zoom to change. For instance, I want to zoom in up to this location. So I'll go ahead and increase it to this zoom level, and that is it. So if I go ahead and click OK, you can see now we have these two zoom levels. Now if I play the video, you can see when it gets to this place or that part, it zooms in and then it goes back. So that's how you can zoom it. If you want to reduce the zoom, you can reduce it by just dragging it closer, and that will reduce the zoom. So look at that. And here we go. So that's how you can zoom your videos in Filmora.